In this lecture, we're going to be talk about the charging standards and the connectors used for EV charging infrastructure. So basically, there are types of chargers which are being available into the market based upon the technology that has been used for charging purpose. So basically, the one of the popular technology is the shadow mode technology, which is been invented into the Japan, and whichever vehicles are manufactured in Japan, so they were having this kind of an connector to be fitted for fast charging purpose. So basically, this kind of the connector is supports bidirectional charging system, that is from vehicle to grid. So wherever we want to charge the battery, so we can take the power from the grid, and whenever we want to sell the power, it means what, from the battery to grid. If we want to feed the power in the peak demand times, we can also transfer that particular power. So two-way, bidirectional way, this charger connectors is actually been working. The next very popular technology in the world is combined charging system, which is also called as CCS system. So basically, this CCS system is very popular based upon its necessary feature which is been given, so that the AC charging and the DC charging, both charging will be available into this particular connector. So AC and DC both way we can able to do this charging into that. So Europe and North America widely utilizing this CCS technology. It is very compatible with the most modern EVs also, and adapters are also been easily available for the CCS technologies, and that is actually been providing the more fast charging speed comparing to the other type of the charging connectors and the infrastructures. If you want to talk about some regional variations in the standards that has been used for the connectors and the charging infrastructures. So basically in the North America SAE 1772, this kind of the connector has been used for the AC charging purpose, and CCS for the fast charging purpose has been mostly been used in the North America. Tesla has also have their own connector, and they can also actually providing nowadays the adapter for connectors, so that the CCS technology charging also can be fed into the Tesla's vehicle. In Europe also the CCS technology is more popular, and typically the type 2 type of a connector has been more preferable for the charging purpose. Whenever we talk about the region wise, when we talk about the AC charging, which gives the power supply of around 2 kilowatt to 43 kilowatt. So in the North America, this kind of the texture has been used for AC charging purpose, which is called as a J1772 type 1 connector. In European Union, basically this kind of the connector has been used for AC charging purpose, which is the IEC 621922. The type 2 type of the charger is there. In China, this kind of the connector has been used, which is similar to the IC connector, GB/T connector. And all market, like in said Tesla also providing this kind of the connector. So adapters are been available. So the CCS technology we can adapt to this particular Tesla's connector also. In the DC charging, basically it can able to deliver up to 50 kilowatt to 150 kilowatt up to 350 kilowatt also max to max. So the North America is using this kind of the connector, which is a CCS one, which is adaptable for the DC and the AC charging also. Similarly, for the European Union, CCS2, Japan, it is a shadow mode connector. China, it is a GB/T DC type of the connector. So this kind of the variation that will going to be find some region wise charging for the electric vehicles.